What's up guys, in today's episode we are going to prep the bike for paint and paint the bike. We also are going to remove the engine and every other thing. As you can see, it's already been done, but yeah, enjoy the video. So right now we just finished up removing everything from the frame. We are going to bring it to another place where we are going to paint it. This was the video. As you could see, we just put on some clear coat and some paint. Now we're going to let the paint cure. Once the paint is cured, we are going to put the engine back in it, and we're going to put everything back together as a whole. Later on we are still going to paint some parts of the bike, yeah, maybe sandblast it and paint it. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.